Well, I saw your question in the email. I guess this is section 1.2, number 10. In planning a retirement, Liza deposits some money in a 3% account and twice as much in a 3.5% account. Find amount in each account if she earned $1,800 in interest. So the formula for interest is I equals PRT, principal, rate, and time. They tell you the interest times 1 year here. It's for a year, so interest would just be actually principal times rate. I like this figure here. You know, this you put X amount in a 3% account, put twice of them in a 3.5% account, and together you're going to earn $1,800. So the interest in the 3% account plus the interest in 3.5% account is $1,800, and interest is just going to be PR. So the principal is X and R, change that to decimal, so it's 0.03X. Principal is 2X, the interest is change that to decimal, 0.035 times 2 is 0.07. You add these two, and that'd be 0.1x equal to 1,800. Come over here, divide by 0.1, and I get 18,000. Then you double that for the other account, and that's 36,000. Hope this helps.